Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here. Back today with another price prediction video. Today I'm going to be going over Golem, which is actually a pretty popular cryptocurrency for its size. Currently ranking at the 36th spot on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $170 million. So, this is already definitely in the altcoin category here. Not the biggest coin, not the smallest, but definitely pretty popular for its size, like I said. If we look over to the subreddit, they have 13,000 followers. So this is relatively large considering where they're ranking. And, it's relatively active, so that's usually a good sign. Moving over to their website, they have a lot of big ambitions, worldwide supercomputer. It kind of reminds me of IOTA with their, I feel like they're trying to be sort of the ahead of the game technology-wise, if that makes sense, right? And I don't know all the details on their fundamentals and stuff, but supercomputer and stuff. I mean, they're trying to really be ahead of the game so that they can really, be able to be sort of the first movers when the general technology of the internet and stuff comes to need them, right? If that makes sense. But basically, they want to be able to help in a bunch of different categories, business, cryptography, computer graphics, just a bunch of stuff, right? Pretty much all around. And, that's all fine and everything. They have their own plans and their own ambitions. The only thing that worries me a little bit with this is that, I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrencies that have, well, for one, that want to try to cover a wide range of stuff. I feel like it's better maybe to focus on something in specific or just focus on being a good cryptocurrency, right? Because they're too focused on, it looks like, just, being of use for certain, like, services and stuff. But how about actually consumers, right? And actual users? Of course, they mention it here, but it doesn't seem like it's really one of their main focuses, which does concern me. And I've seen multiple cryptocurrencies like this, and I don't think that it ends very well. So that's already not my favorite thing about Golem. Now, moving back over to the numbers here. If we take a look at Golem right now, 1 million, a little bit over 1 million volume in the past 24 hours. So, that's fine, relatively normal for the market cap, nothing to worry about there. The supply is on the larger side for sure here, right? I mean, almost 1 billion pretty much. So, you all know that I don't like large supplies. It creates a lot of problems. It removes the scarcity aspect of a cryptocurrency, and it removes value, right, inherently. So, that's not my favorite thing to see at all, right? Second thing that I'm concerned about with Golem is the fact that the chart and the price action is not the prettiest here. And I do get a lot of haters and people dislike the videos where I'm bearish on some cryptocurrencies because obviously they have vested interest. That might be you right now. But what's important to realize is that I have now built up, a reputation. I've predicted the Bitcoin 5K. I've predicted very well the movement of Litecoin over the past couple days. So I think that, I know what I'm talking about. I have experience in trading and investing. And if you don't want to, pay attention to what I'm saying, that's totally fine. You can disagree with me. But, don't just dislike the video or something. Let me know why you think I'm wrong on Golem, right? Why you think Golem is actually a value. But getting into the chart here, okay, because this is where all the sort of the meat of the action is, right? I mean, I never argue with price action. And, Golem started back in November 2016, right? Pretty flat, but I mean, it pretty quickly got a massive rise up to, let's see, peak all-time high was about 67 cents, it seems like, okay? Problem is that it pretty much crashed, right, after that. And it found its support near about 18 cents, bounced back, right? Attempted to have something, maybe a recovery, right? But it was pretty much a dead cat bounce and just got slammed into the ground as well, right? So that's already a failed attempt of a recovery. Not a good sign after, some like this is really sort of pump and dump action right there. And plus the failed recovery, that's not a good sign, I'm sorry to say. So now it's been, trickling downwards. I think it's going to break the support level pretty soon. Maybe the next couple weeks. So as far as price prediction goes, I think in the next couple months, it's going to go back down to maybe around 10 cents, right? Somewhere between 8 and 10 cents. And I think it could hold there for a while, but I think eventually it'll drop back down to even lower levels, right? Maybe 4 to 2 cents in the next 2 to 5 years. So I think this one is going to end up sort of in the dirt, unfortunately. And like I said, there's going to be haters when I'm bearish on cryptocurrencies, but that's fine. I mean, how can you argue against this price action? This is pretty miserable price action, right? It's not looking good at all. It's looking weak, and I think it's ready to go back down to lower levels here. So yeah, these are sort of my thoughts on Golem. Definitely not my favorite cryptocurrency out there, unfortunately. It's interesting because it does have a pretty big following and stuff. And, I might be missing something. I'm not sure how it gained all that following. But, there's definitely people who like it. Unfortunately, no, I feel like the cryptocurrency just doesn't have enough going for it for me to actually, it doesn't really get my stamp of approval per se. So, yeah, these are just my thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think of Golem. Let me know where you think it's heading. But with that being said, everyone, I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency videos. And thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice day.